Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to be discussing the File section. So to get started, each one of these icons represents a view into the files that you have on your server for your domain. For example, if we click the Images button, what you can do is you can create thumbnails from the images that are already in your directory. You can change the size of some of the images that are already there and convert the files in JPEG to PNG. Now again, depending on what you're doing with your website, this could be helpful to you. There's a directory privacy link. And what this will do is this will allow you to set a username and password for a specific directory on your server. So for example, if we were to go into your typical file server, if we wanted to set a password for that subdirectory, we could do that. Now what you'll notice is that when we click this level, then when you go back, you'll see the subdirectories underneath the directory that you clicked. So if you were to continue to click those directories, you can click one and you can continue to find them. And then if we go back, you'll notice that there is nothing underneath. If we go back one level, we'll find the other directories. Now if we want to be specific about the settings within a specific directory, we can go here and we can actually set those directory settings in this button. The disk usage button will show you how much space each one of your directories is taking. So for example, if we click inside of this public HTML link, it'll take you to your file manager. We're going to be looking at this particular file manager in a separate video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.